Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today's topic will be discussing the breakthrough of heat dissipation in the notebook industry. Have you noticed in the past decade or so that our notebooks were getting thinner and thinner until they reach a certain level and they can't get any more thin? Well, mainly because we have so many components internally that are bulky and thick, and one of those components is the fan. Now, the fan is noisy, it requires energy, and it is dusty. Well, things are about to change. In 2023 conference of CES, we have this company called Force Systems that just invented this solid state active coolant chip named AirJet Mini. It took them about 4 years to manufacture this, and it is a new technology that's about to change the history of notebooks. It is only 3 millimeter thick with a cavity inside that has a vibrating membrane with slots on the top of this chip and a slot on the side of this chip. Now, once you place this chip on the top of the processor, that vibrating membrane will be sucking the air from the slots on the top and have that air go perpendicular towards the copper, and then it carries the heat and expels it from the side, and it does this at a speed of about 100 miles per hour. Now, with this force, it is amazing, and as you may see over here, it is showing how much air it's getting. And the good thing about it is fanless, no noise whatsoever, and it requires less than 1 watt. Can you imagine? Less than 1 watt to operate, and it will produce 5 watts of removing heat. That is just amazing, and it will revolutionize the history of notebooks. Now, unfortunately, there is no price as of yet, and the company is still working with other companies to adapt this idea and transition from the fan to fanless. And if this works, it is a plug and play, and you could add more than one to your notebook, especially for those fanatics about notebooks and using them as console for their gaming console. Now they will be happy. Vibrating fans will, affect the performance of, aside from being bulky and whatnot, it will just, the vibration itself will affect the performance of a processor. And the processor is the brain of everything inside of a laptop. If you really think about it, it's the brain. So you don't want your brain to be vibrating all the time, you know what I mean? So without further ado, if you like this video, please don't hesitate to, I don't have to tell you what to do, and please stay tuned for more.